Hello, all cherished viewers. You are all welcome back again to Prof. 1 Tutorials. In the previous video, we ended on question 11A, and this time around, we are going to move on with the question 11B. WASSCE 2025 Elective Maths. So let's get started. Stay tuned. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment in the comment section. So keep in touch as we begin for today. Question 11B. Simplify 729 exponent negative bracket open 1 minus 5x over 6 plus 243 exponent x minus 1 over 5 all over 27 exponent 5x over 3 minus 1. All right. Solution. Seven two nine can be rewrite as 3 exponent 6. This is because this is an exponential. They are all full of indices. So 729 can be rewrite as 3 exponent 6 with an exponent negative multiplying 1 minus 5x over 6. So this negative here will multiply the one we have, negative 1. Then negative, negative, we have positive. So positive 5x over 6 plus, now we have 243 also here, which can also be rewrite as 3 exponent 5. So 3 exponent 5 will give you 243. Then we also have an exponent of x minus 1 over 5 all over. Then we have 27, which is also written as 3 exponent 3 with an exponent again of 5x over 3 minus 1. So from here, I am going to use the 6 to multiply through. So we have 3, a big bracket. 6 is an exponent. Everything in the bracket is also an exponent. We are going to multiply. So we have 6 times negative 1, we have minus 6. Then 6 times 5x over 6, the 6 will take off the denominator. So it will be left with plus 5x plus 3. The 5 here is also an exponent. Then x minus 1 over 5 we have from the bracket is also an exponent. So 5 times x, we have 5x minus 5 times 1 over 5. This 5 will also take off the denominator. We have minus 1 all over. So here we also have 3. Because the 3 here is an exponent, and then 5x over 3 minus 1 is also an exponent, we are still going to expand or multiply through. So 3 times 5x over 3, we have 5x. Then 3 times negative 1, we have minus 3. When we get here, the denominator that we have here will be given to the first term as well as the second term. So each term we have from the numerator, will be divided by the denominator. So we have 3 exponent negative 6 plus 5x all over 3 exponent 5x minus 3. So let me put it in a bracket. Plus, then we have 3 exponent 5x minus 1 all over 3 exponent 5x minus 3. Alright. Now we know that when indices are dividing, we maintain one of the base and then take difference from the exponent. So here I'll maintain one of the bases, then it's going to be the whole exponent we have here minus this. But before that, let me make it step by step. So I have 3 exponent negative 6 plus 5x divided by 3 exponent 5x minus 3. So this one is 110 plus, with the other one we have 3 exponent 5x minus 1 all over, so we can just rewrite it as division like this, divided by 3 exponent 5x minus 3 like this. So here the bases are equal, so I'll maintain one of the base. Because of the division is going to be this minus the other exponent. So I have 3 exponent negative 6 plus 5x. So I've maintained one of the base. So the exponent minus this exponent. So minus 5x minus 3 plus 3 exponent, we have 5x minus 1. That one also minus the other exponent, we have 5x minus 3. 5x minus 3. Alright. So we have 3 exponent negative 6 plus 5x. And from here, we could see that the negative will multiply this, we have minus 5x. The negative negative, we have positive 3. Plus, we also have 3 exponent 5x minus 1. And from here, negative will affect them. 5x, we have negative 5x. The negate, so positive 3. So here, this 5x will cancel the negative 5x we have here. So we have 3 exponent negative 6 plus 3 plus, then here the 5x also cancel the negative 5x. We have 3 exponent negative 1 plus 3. So we are going to get 3 exponent negative 6 plus 3. We have negative 3 plus, and here we have 3 exponent negative 1 plus 3, which will give us 3 exponent positive 2. Now, because the exponent is negative, we are going to rewrite it as fraction. So it is going to be 1 over 3 exponent 3 plus 3 squared. So now we have 1 over 3 power 3, we have 27 plus 3 squared, we have 9. And here we have a fraction adding a whole number. And 1 over 27 plus 9 is going to be 9 whole number 1 over 27. This is a whole number plus a fraction, and this will be the final answer. So my cherished viewers, we are going to look at the next question in the next video. If this video is very educative and helpful, kindly subscribe. Don't forget to like, share to friends, and keep tuned. Bye bye.